I'm done with winter. I'm getting stuck everywhere. I can't even park at the elevator anymore, and I got stuck. It flooded really quick the one weekend, and then it froze right after, and I was pretty well stuck right down. So I had to call the tow truck to get me out. And low cost is a block away from the elevator. Easiest $300 they made. I'm getting stuck in every farmyard. Tractor, I'm getting yarded around every single day. I can't even see the road anymore. On the way back to Swift Current 2. What the fuck was I just gonna say? Oh yeah, there was a real bad wreck too with a bus and a car, but I think they were okay because they waved us through on the way by. And then another half mile after that, there was a tow truck getting a jackknife semi out of the ditch too, so people need to slow down.